Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Muskan Chabra. I am Center Head and IVF Specialist at Birla Fertility and IVF Lajpatnagar. Today we are going to talk about one most important question. So many patients ask me, ma'am, हम IUI या IVF के बाद travel कर सकते हैं क्या? Is it safe? Let's clear the confusion today. Many times जब मैं IUI का procedure करती हूँ, मेरे से patients discharge के time पे पूछते हैं, ma'am, can I travel? Can I go to work? Can I do daily routine tasks? So it is a myth that IUI के बाद we cannot travel because the sperm is already inside the uterus and it is just like a normal conception. Implantation will happen if everything is going well, irrespective of the fact कि आप travel कर रहे हैं या आप travel नहीं कर रहे हैं. Extreme exhaustion, long hours without a break, and lifting heavy weights definitely should be avoided. But light travel is not a problem. You can safely do it. What about IVF? IVF के बाद बहुत बार situation थोड़ी different होती है. IVF is a high stakes procedure. Patients have also invested so much in the procedure, and the procedure itself involves implantation of an embryo inside the uterus and not just putting of the sperm. सो IVF के बाद अगले 2 से 3 दिन तक रेस्ट लें, बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा ट्रैवल बाय रोड अवॉइड करें, बहुत लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस फ्लाइट्स अवॉइड करें. 2 to 3 days के बाद if you're generally feeling okay, it's safe to have light travel. But if you have any high risk factors like you're carrying twins or if you're having bleeding, you're having a lot of cramps, then it is better to avoid travel and stay safe. And no matter how you have conceived, whether it's IUI or whether it's IVF, it is generally safe to travel after either procedures if you follow certain precautions. You eat clean and you are eating safely. You keep yourself well hydrated. You're not taking a lot of stress. You are not taking very long distance flights or travels. And if you're taking very long distance flights, please make sure that you are walking in between and you are keeping yourself well hydrated. Also, that you have to remember is that you have to take your medications on time and make sure that you're not exhausted during the travel. So the takeaway is simple. You can safely travel after IUI or after IVF as long as you follow few precautions. But हर case unique होता है, हर पेशेंट की मेडिकल हिस्ट्री डिफरेंट होती है. तो मेक श्योर दैट यू स्पीक टू योर फर्टिलिटी स्पेशलिस्ट बिफोर यू टेक एनी लॉन्ग ट्रिप्स.